Beans and corn, a match made in farming heaven? But ever wondered why? Every farmer knows peas, beans, and clovers are more than just crops. They fix nitrogen in the soil, the same nutrient every plant needs to grow strong. That's why farmers often plant them alongside heavy feeders like corn. But here's the big question. If nitrogen fertilizer does the same thing, why bother planting fixers? Here's the catch. The air around us is packed with nitrogen, about 78%, but plants can't use it in this form. It's like having a full tank of gas locked with no key. That's where legumes step in. Beans, peas, and clovers team up with special bacteria in their roots. These bacteria unlock the nitrogen, turning it into forms plants can use: ammonia and nitrates. It's free fertilizer, made right under your feet. Of course, synthetic nitrogen fertilizers work too. They give plants a quick boost, but they don't build soil. Much of it can wash away with the rain, polluting rivers and costing farmers more money each season. Natural fixers, on the other hand, keep feeding the soil year after year. This is the nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen moves from the air into the soil, into plants and animals, and eventually back again. Fertilizer shortcuts the process, but legumes, compost, and soil microbes keep the cycle balanced naturally. So the next time you plant, remember, peas, beans, and clovers aren't just crops, they're partners. They cut fertilizer costs, improve soil health, and keep your fields fertile for the long haul. That's why the old-timers planted them, and why smart farmers still do today. If you enjoyed learning here, subscribe for more soil and gardening tips.